Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love travel and discovering new cultures, hit that subscribe button to join our adventures around the globe. Today, we're uncovering the beauty of Spain, a country filled with rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. Let's get started on your ultimate travel guide to Spain. Spain is divided into 17 autonomous regions, each with its own unique culture, language, and traditions. From the colorful streets of Barcelona in Catalonia to the flamenco rhythms of Andalusia, every region offers something special. In Catalonia, you'll find the incredible architecture of Antoni Gaudí. Don't miss the chance to visit the iconic Sagrada Familia and the whimsical Park Güell. And, of course, take a stroll down La Rambla, where the energy of the city truly comes alive. Next, let's explore some must-visit cities. Madrid, the capital, is famous for its world-class museums, like the Prado and Reina Sofia. Make sure to take a leisurely walk through Retiro Park and enjoy a picnic. In Seville, immerse yourself in flamenco culture and visit the stunning Alcázar Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And don't forget to indulge in some tapas while you're there. Valencia is another gem, known for its futuristic city of arts and sciences and, of course, its delicious paella. Head to the beach for some sun and relaxation. Spain isn't just about cities, it's also home to stunning natural wonders. The Picos de Europa National Park offers breathtaking hikes, while the Costa Brava boasts crystal-clear waters and hidden coves. For a unique experience, visit the volcanic landscapes of Lanzarote in the Canary Islands. To truly experience Spain, dive into its culture. Attend a local festival, such as La Feria de Abril in Seville or San Fermin in Pamplona. Consider taking a cooking class to learn how to make traditional dishes. Or even try your hand at flamenco dancing. Before you go, here are some tips for your trip. Learn a few basic Spanish phrases. Locals appreciate the effort. Try to travel by train. Spain has an excellent rail network that makes it easy to explore. And don't forget to enjoy the siesta culture. Many shops close in the afternoon, so plan your days accordingly. Spain is truly a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Whether you're exploring vibrant cities, relaxing on beautiful beaches, or savoring incredible food, this country has something for every traveler. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Hasta la próxima. Until next time.